Aloha everyone and welcome to the Maui Tropical Plantation. Open since 1984, this place offers an experience like no other. A working plantation that offers a variety of attractions and activities for visitors of all ages. Join us as we explore the grounds and show you what this place is all about. The Maui Tropical Plantation is located in the Waikapu Valley, near Wailuku. Its proximity to Kahului and Wailuku town make it a perfect stop for a few hours or more. Parking here is free, and there are no entrance fees. However, certain things such as the tram tour do cost money. This allows you to customize your visit. As you enter the plantation grounds, you'll see the country market, a great place to purchase fresh food and souvenirs. Many of the products are made right here in Hawaii. Next to the country market, you'll find the Kumu Café and Farm Bar. This place offers coffee, organic produce, and some of the tastiest papayas on the island. Let's spend the next few minutes walking through this beautiful plantation. If you're enjoying this video, do us a favor and give us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. Be sure to check out the Café restaurant while you're at the Maui Tropical Plantation. This restaurant features craft cocktails, tasty food, and a beautiful setting. If you're craving adventure, this place even has a zipline course that will take you over the plantation and lagoons. This 5-line zipline tour costs $149 per person. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore the Preservation Hale and learn about the rich history of the area, which includes the sugar mill and the sugarcane processing that played a significant role in Maui's past. Hop aboard the Tropical Express for a behind-the-scenes tour of the surrounding area that offers a glimpse into the plantation's operations. This tram tour is a great way to explore a vast area of the plantation without breaking a sweat. Tickets can be purchased online or in person and cost $25 for adults or $12.50 for children. Let's continue exploring the beautiful plantation grounds. Thanks for watching our tour of the Maui Tropical Plantation. Feel free to check out another one of our Hawaii walking tour videos. Mahalo!